My name is Allie. I am one of the coordinators with the Central Texas Mycological Society. CTMS was established in 2019. We are a nonprofit organization that focuses on everything fungi, from wild mushroom walks to monthly meetings about all sorts of subjects. Really exciting, and we're looking forward to having so much more after we can all go out and have a big party, a big mushroom party. Today what we're going to be doing is a shiitake log inoculation. So you're going to need your log, right? These have to be 6 months old or newer. The newer the better, so there's less fungal and bacteria competition in it already. And so you want about a 6-inch diameter and about 4 to 5 feet long. Just think about what you can carry. So in order to inoculate this beautiful log, we are going to use this 12mm drill bit. And what's important about this is that it has a stopper, so you don't have to go. It'll stop you at the right depth, right? And this is from North Spore. Other companies sell it as well. That's just where I got it from, and it's working beautifully so far. You will also need this handy dandy tool. This is a log inoculation tool, right? So it'll go to that exact depth of the 12mm drill bit stopper. You of course need your sawdust as well. This is, like I said, this is shiitake. We've been using it a lot. It works beautifully. And then you need your wax, your melted wax with a brush. And that is all the materials you need for this. If you don't have any, you can borrow them eventually if we know you. No, just kidding. Okay. So first off, we drilled a few holes. You want them 6 inches apart approximately, and 2 inches up. So you're doing like a diamond pattern, right? So 6 inches long way. And then you want to come back and do them in the middle of that. And you want to do that across the whole log, right? Next step is you take this log inoculation tool and you stab it in your sawdust so it fills up, and then you just go to each hole and you press down and it fills it right up. So you do that. So sawdust spawn is cheaper than the dowels. That's one reason why I would recommend doing it this way. You don't necessarily need this fancy tool, but it does help with the process a lot. It is about $45 for the tool itself, so it's up to you if you want it. So shiitake takes about 12 months to colonize the whole log, and that's okay because the reward is worth it. And so after you do that, you just take the wax and just put it over every single hole. You want to cover it up so no competitors get in. So paraffin wax is a petroleum-based wax that works pretty well. Other people highly recommend cheese wax or beeswax. We're using soy, and I would just say to you, let's experiment with all different kinds and see what gets eaten the less, because you want it to last, right? So no insects get in there and eat all your delicious mycelium because they love it. Okay, last thing with the wax, after you do the whole log, you want to do the sides. And again, this is important because you're keeping those competitors out of the log. And thank you everyone for tuning in to the shiitake log demonstration. It was a pleasure. Feel free to visit us at centraltexasmycology.org and or follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Central Texas Mycology. We will be uploading many resources to our website, so make sure to check it out. And we love y'all and hope to meet a bunch of you that we haven't met yet soon, right? Mushroom party. April 2020, maybe. All right, goodbye.